Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I hope this week has been super profitable for everybody. I got into the Apple and the Tesla splits, and they have been treating me very, very well. A few other of my calls, I've been doing have been amazing. You might notice a new little setup. I'm not fully finished, but I kind of wanted to get a video out before, I got fully finished and furnished and everything. I'm in a new position, and I'm going to be updating everything. And but before I get into the video, I want to say thank you so much for all the love. We just actually passed 2,600 subs. It's insane. Did not think I was going to get this far this quickly, and could not have done it without you guys, everybody, because you guys are amazing. This whole community is just fantastic. I know I'm speechless for how kind you guys are. So, but this video is going to be my picks and what I'm watching for the rest of the week. I might have another video coming out either tomorrow or the next day, going over a few more. There's some pretty crazy catalysts and pretty crazy things going on for the rest of this week. So keep an eye out that, and let me know in the comments below what you guys are watching for the rest of the week. Let me know if you guys want me to review any stocks. I do have a list on a notepad of subscriber requests that I'm going to try to get a video out here soon too regarding, and there's so many topics, so little time that it's hard to cover every single thing. So just be patient with me, and I'll try to get to everybody's questions and everyone's concerns. So, but let's jump into this video here. I may be covering quite a lot. There's about 7 on here. The first one I kind of want to go into is Rocket Mortgage, or Rocket Companies. This is one that I called at about $18 or $19, and it's just hit after hours, 32 bucks. And I think it's gonna go crazy tomorrow too. I am potentially thinking about selling majority of my position before 4 o'clock tomorrow, before earnings. Earnings can go good or bad. There's a lot of whisperings among a lot of people in the mortgage companies that they're probably going to be crazy profitable because their last month, or the last quarter, I should say, they hit record highs. They were expected to hit even higher this month and this quarter. So I think it's going to be super profitable. We had a lot of buys at the very end of the day. So there's going to be a lot of people holding this. I wouldn't be surprised if this opened up, before the market at $34 tomorrow. I got in about 18, 19, so I'm feeling pretty good about this one right now. Like I said, I might sell a good amount of my position before a little bit of a small knife, if any. There might not even be any, honestly, because I do see the stock going to 40, 45, hopefully by the end of the year, or if not, by the beginning of 2021. They just have a whole lot going for them. I actually am going to probably link the video where I talk more in depth about it in the description below, but there's almost no downside. In a bad economy, I believe majority they're going to be doing refinancing, and on a good economy, they're going to be just doing mortgages after mortgages after mortgages. Their whole model is based behind customer service, and to give the best customer service possible. I do not see them failing on that. So, but that's that one. And also, I don't even have to probably bring up the chart. The chart's looking amazing, like it's ready for a gap up or a explosion tomorrow. Check out that one, guys. If you guys are still in it, awesome. You made some really good money on it. It's definitely going to be a long term, but I don't know how long term I'm going to be in it, because it's a good amount of my capital right now that I've been on it. So next one I'm going to talk about is one that exploded, throughout the last couple of months, honestly. That's SHLL, or Tortoise, and this is an acquisition play. This one ran up super high today, and I think it's going to continue tomorrow. This is not the one I'm actually really going to be telling you guys that it's going to be a good buy, because I think it's a little bit pricey right now. But the ones that I'm going to say that are probably going to be sympathy off of those two are going to be SPAQ and it's super cheap right now. I could see this one gapping up or going crazy, you know, maybe another $2 to $3 day tomorrow. I also covered this one on my acquisition and merger video that I'm going to be link in the description below. But this one is another one that could go huge, and I'm actually surprised it's not 15 plus right now. You know, it got beat down quite a lot in the last little while, but I could definitely see it going crazy here coming up, especially tomorrow and following this week with the Symphony play with Shill. So the other one is Graf, and I don't believe I did cover this one, but this one is looking pretty good too, set up for tomorrow and the rest of this week. It was up about 12% today, and if Shill keeps on its little hunt, I think that this one's going to follow, and it's going to be crazy. Probably going to see another $2 day with this one, and if you can get in early, sub $22, or I mean, it might even gap up. You might not even have a chance on that, but this is another one to watch out for and to follow for the rest of the week. So next one I'm going to talk about is EVFM. Evofem, and this is one that I covered in a video before. This one is a pharmaceutical company that is working on a birth control. It's been crazy good so far. Honestly, it's been sitting around the 320 to 340 mark. The video I say at about 280, I think it was. In that video is where it was. So it's already up 40 cents. I'm not going to sell any less than $4, I think, on this one. And I do have a price target at about $4.50 to $5. If you look at this chart, today was just insane. There was so much buying going on, and it was consolidating in higher highs, lower lows. I mean, it's just set up for a run, and I think it even actually a few times hit 360. I just see it keep on going. Like I said, it's going to be late September is when they're going to be dropping all of their PR for that, and their campaign. They're going to be dropping hormone. I could see it before that going to about $4, maybe like mid-September. You know, it's just the start of September, and we've already seen about a 40-cent gain on this one, and I think it's going to continue to keep on rocketing, especially with that buy and the way this chart's set up. It's set to rocket out of control. The next one I'm going to go into is CLRO, and this is Clearone, and this is actually a new one that is I think it's consolidating and looking very good right now. I would say watch out for sub $2.80. I think that is a very great an entry on that. This one is going to be a little bit of a longer hold. I think it's going to be a little bit longer of a swing trade, but they have a lot of things going on. Let me bring up some of their insider trading. For in the last 3 months, they've been nothing but buying. 30,000 shares bought in the last 3 months. The owner owns over 7,400,000 shares, which, I mean, it's an owner, but that's pretty good. But then every single other of the officers, and they're all in about the $2 range, a little bit lower, a little bit while ago, but they're about the $2 range. So, I mean, I think that shows that they have some stuff that is going to be coming up on this one, and they are very confident in their company. Not just that, they also, the institutional holding it's at about 5%, a little bit over 5%. About 83,000 shares bought in the last little while, 3 months. And I mean, there's some pretty big companies on here buying up a bunch of shares, 72,000 shares, and 8,000, 1,000. I mean, not a huge amount, but definitely I think noticeable for how low the market cap, or not market cap, the public float is on this. It's sitting around 7 million, but I believe it's with all the shares being out and everything, it's around 4 million that's actually available for the public. That sets this off as definitely a low float and very volatile, but I see if this one gets enough volume and the action is going to fly past $3. I see it even going to $4 plus. But it is going to be, like I said, a little bit of a swing trade, a little bit longer of a swing trade for me. I'm going to be probably holding this one, looking for an entry sub $2.80, and holding this one for a few months, and we should see some really good numbers on this one. So the very last one I want to talk about is one that I've talked about a little bit already. We've seen a lot of selling today. That's the only negative that I see on about this, and that's why I have it kind of on a just a watch right now. I see a lot of good things happening, especially our article that came out today. They actually had some insider activity. In the last 3 months, there's been 7 market buys, and roughly for 110,000 shares, and they're about 89 cents, 93 cents, a dollar, and this is over where it's at right now, and insiders are buying up. I think that they are possibly going to be dropping some PR soon here. And that's why some of them are loading up and getting a good amount of shares. We're looking like we're almost oversold, so this one might be a red to green day. It might pop off the rest of the week, but I definitely have it. If it drops below 80 cents, I think I'm going to be a definite buyer in this. Definitely just have it on the watch list because of the volatility of a lot of these other smaller pharma plays, especially the last couple of weeks. We've seen a lot of negativity in August. A lot of them are shooting down, which kind of doesn't really make any sense. I think, especially with Rona not really getting any better and all of the chaos going on in the world, a lot of these other blue chip stocks are going up and crazy. The plays that are working on the Rona and different vaccines are going down. So I think we're going to see a reversal on that soon. But this is definitely one I think to check out. The last thing I want to say is it does have about 1% institutional holdings. It's not a huge amount, but I just wanted to say in the last little while we had about 15 increased positions at 849,000 shares, and I mean that's a crap ton of shares bought. A lot of big companies are in here buying up shares, and I could see it possibly popping off at least above $1. It's going to be probably just a quick flip trade, quick day trade for me. Definitely, I don't think it is a long-term one. It's too volatile for me personally. Anyway, those are my just a little bit of a overview and what I'm buying, what I'm holding on to. Wanted to kind of also say that I am holding a good amount of Apple and a small amount of Tesla. Tesla took a little bit of a drop today because of the at market offering that they're about to do, which is definitely just an overreaction to that. I expect it to keep on going up. There's a lot of analysts for both Tesla and Apple that are saying that it is most likely going to double by 2021. So if any of you guys are in and have made a good amount of money, leave that in the comments below. I would like to know how much you were in or how many shares of each you had. So that'd be awesome. But anyway, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, let me know what you guys are watching. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for any videos, or you guys have any other stocks that you want me to review. I would love to do another video this week and cover a topic that you guys really want to hear about. But anyway, that's the video. If you guys want to check me out on social media, I have my Twitter and my Instagram in the link below. I also have my Patreon if you would like to donate anything. I also have my referral links for Webull and Robinhood. With Webull, if you sign up, you get a free stock, and if you deposit $100 within the first 30 days, you'll get another free stock, and so will I. With Robinhood, if you use my link and make a brokerage account, you'll get a free stock, and so will I. And all those free stocks go to help the channel and to get better equipment and gear to help make these videos a little bit better, a little bit more tolerable, and go to just expressing everything and just making good content for you guys. So but anyway, that's the video. I hope we have I hope we crush it the whole rest of the week and we have nothing but positive days. You guys stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Go.